Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing picture narration, in which you will narrate the story on behalf of seeing the picture. And what is narration? Narration का मतलब होता है हम characters को दिखा के दर्शा के उन चीज़ों को explain करते हैं. Let's just begin with this narration writing. So the title of our chapter is picture narration, right? You have to look at the picture and write what you can see in it. देखिए हम देख सकते हैं कि over here old man and an old woman, they are sitting on a bench. बहुत सारे trees हैं, birds are flying, girl and boy, they are swinging, and both these are playing bat ball and they are just on a swing, right? So you all have to narrate this picture writing on your own. I have already explained you that how to write this, and please make sure कि आप इसको अच्छे से लिखें, right? And I hope you all understood this chapter. This chapter was totally a picture narration where you just have to write what you have seen in the picture, and please make sure that you will do this on your own. And if any problem came, please feel free to ask me, and make sure that you keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.